Welcome to Excel Prop YouTube channel, everybody. So we are back again with another video. We are right now standing on Bangalore Vidyanagara Road, or Razakpalya Vidyanagara Road also we can call it as. In between the Bangalore police station and the Vidyanagara town which is there, NH44. We have got multiple villa community options here. One of the project is by name Adarsh Palmakers, one of the biggest villa community property we have here. Then we also have the new upcoming project which is already launched. Right now they are selling a project by name Arsh Greens. So this is the there are two entry and exit. One entry starts from here and another entry is little further here. From here we'll have one more entry. This property exclusively comes with the 4 BHK villas. As if now some of the customization can be done internally. Again, they have also recently got the approval for the construction and other things. So the pricing starting from 2 crore 70 lakhs onwards. The best part of this project is the land can be registered under your name. That is one of the important thing which is very, very important. Usually what happens, if you buy a property in a gated community in a societies like this, you will only get the UDS concept. There is no concept of land getting registered, but here the land is getting registered under your name. Very, very important. Reaches for further discussion. The importance of this project, this is close to NH44, very close to KIADB. This is exactly in between the commercial zone of KIADB Aerospace Park and residential zone, and towards the metro station which is there in Vidyanagara or Chikkajala. This is hardly about 4.5 kilometers from here. We can easily reach out the metro station. That is also another advantage. So from here also we can easily reach the others Palmakers property. And neighboring to this project, as if now we don't have any big developer projects, but neighboring, this is not exactly next to each other. Only Adarsh is there. I think there is one more plotted development. I forgot the name, but within 2 to 3 kilometers distance from here we have Prestige, Brigade and all the other big companies are nearby. So reach out to us for further more discussion. We can have further clarification on the property. Do visit this property before you finalize any other project. And this road expansion work is also happening. You can see the replacement of the trees have already started doing. From the government side. I think this road is gonna be a very big road. As if now we can see only it's just 30 feet road, but in future we'll see at least 40 to 60 feet road. In next coming few months we'll be able to see the work. The government will start automatically. Thank you so much for watching us. Do reach out to us starting for this Arsh Greens Villa Community Project. 30 plus amenities they're providing within the community. For further discussion we're waiting for your call. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Have a nice day.